guys, what's up, it's Bree. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today we're going to be doing a RPGSHOW wig. Now RPGSHOW have been around for a long time. It was definitely one of my dream companies to work with back in the days. It has been around for a long time. If you are a YouTube OG, you already know all of the YouTube girls back in the days used to rock RPGSHOW. Sorry, it's the lash on here. They even came out with a really cute magazine. It's called Boss Women in Charge. And yeah, I just thought this was so good. And it's nothing but like black women in this book, black owned beauty. So I thought this was just an amazing touch to add. And this is like a real legit magazine, and there's a lot of content creators in here. I saw my girl Ardell in here, a lot of familiar faces. So one thing about RPGSHOW, it is the GOAT when it comes to wig. Now these wigs are very simple to put on, very easy. It's super beginner friendly. I have not washed this unit. I did not dye this unit. I did not I did a little plucking towards the front, and I'll probably still do a little bit more while it's on my head. But this is the type of wig that you really don't have to do anything with. You can wear this glueless or with glue. Of course I'm gonna wear it with glue like I always do, guys. It does come with a band in the back. One thing about RPG wigs, they're nice and snug, you guys. The lace is, the knots will come bleach, so you don't have to worry about bleaching your knots, because you guys know some companies say that it's bleach but it don't be bleach, but these are super bleach. It has two combs here, and it also have a comb in the back as well. But as you guys can see, the unit is very sturdy and nice and snug on my head, so I know the melt is gonna be A1. First thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and clip it out the way. I did go ahead and cut the ear tabs off a little bit, you guys, so it can fit my head. I'll definitely do a video showing you guys how to cut your ear tabs. It's nothing to it. You just cut a little bit of the lace off on the side so it can fit your head. So today I'm gonna attach this unit, adhere this unit with my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive and my Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. So these two together, I'm going to put 2 layers of this glue on because I need this to last all weekend. And then I'm going to put 2 layers of this spray on, and then we're going to go ahead and paste it on our head. Now when you're putting your glue down, you want to make sure that you have some really good glue. You don't want it to be all gunky and gummy and dried out, because when you put that on, like old glue, if your glue is super old and it's like halfway dried out and halfway new, your install is not going to look super flawless. So this is very important. This is a very important step. Companies nowadays are making the units so easy to put on. You don't really have to pluck them, or you don't have to do much to them, especially RPGSHOW. You want to make sure that each layer of glue dries completely before you go put in another layer. So we're going to let this dry out, turn clear, put another layer, and then put 2 layers of this. Okay, you guys, so we have our layers of glue. So what we're going to do is, I always start on one side, get a good grip of everything, pull. You want to make sure you're pulling the wig in front of the glue, pulling the lace in front of the glue, not just the wig, the lace. Like so. You don't want your wig to be too far behind. So then once you get it to a position that you really like, then you're going to go ahead and hold both sides. And I think it's, make sure, I like my sides to be kind of up. I don't like the front part to be kind of up. I like my sides to be kind of up. Oh my gosh, you know when it's a good lace, because the lace be so thin it just kind of melts with the glue. And I'm just gonna make sure that all the hair is pushed back and everything is pretty much pushed in, melted in the glue. And I'm gonna just cut it as close to the hairline as possible. It don't have to be perfect. Don't have to be perfect. So right now we are right here. Everything is looking really good. So I'm going to do the other side like that. And then we're going to go ahead and tie this down for a little bit more of a melt. Take your time with this part. Sometimes I look at people who's trying to learn how to do their wig and they're such in a rush. I'll be like, see, it's you moving too fast. You are moving too fast on this part. Everything is looking really, really flawless. Look at that, y'all. Now you could definitely see if you need to pluck anymore or anything like that. So right now I feel like we are good. We are not going to be putting any type of lace tint on this unit today, because I feel like sometimes when I put lace tint on my unit, it oxidizes and the next day it looks super orange. So I'm going to just let it do what it do. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit more of my even spray, and I'm just going to spray it on the lace part in the front, just so I can get like that really good melt in the front, and it can take away that little ashy cast. And don't worry if you got like, if it looks sticky or shiny. All you have to do is use a little alcohol and that'll fix that. And I may plug it a little bit more, y'all, just a little bit more, just because me being me, I don't wear a lot of baby edges, and I kind of want, oh, sorry, I kind of want it to look a little bit more hair-like. So I'll probably go in between and like just pluck it a little bit like this. But you probably want to tie it up and let it dry a little bit more. Hey guys, so I had to go and switch to my phone. My camera just stopped working. I don't know what's wrong with it. I have to go get it fixed. And then my other professional camera, the battery is dead. So here we are. I want to go ahead and finish up this review. Oh my gosh, it just altered my mood so bad. But this wig looks so good, y'all. I just took the band off. Oh, you don't have to do any type of baby hair. The lace is just melted, girl. It's just melted. But I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of layers in this hair just to shape my face a little bit, because it ain't shaping my face and I need it to shape my face. Y'all know I always like my little layers. Like, I need a little layers, because when your hair fall, you don't want it to like look like just flat. So that's why I always wear a little layers. Yeah, I know. So just a little bit. You don't need a lot. I'm not really cutting the length off of this unit. I'm just cutting some to make it a little bit more volume in it. See how that is too long? That don't shape my face. That don't make my face look cute. So it has to, like, you know, I have to layer it to my face. See, that's a lot better. Then when I put my curls in it, it'll be good to go. I like fluffy hair, y'all know that. So let's put a little bit of curls, like some flat iron curls in it, and now I'll see like where else I need to put the layers at. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna take my curlers and I'm just gonna curl away from the face like so. Then I want to spray some I think it's Sebastian shaper in it to keep the curls in place. hold the heat a little bit. Spray a little bit. I kind of like dirty hair, I'm not gonna lie. So I love when my hair like is full of like, not full of hairspray, but I do like how my hair look with like dry shampoo and hairspray and stuff like that. I like that. So don't be scared to spray your hair. I did go ahead and put some messy curls. Y'all know I don't like my hair super curled, and I just put some hairspray in it just so it can hold a curl. I would never wear my hair this curly. So all I do now is just take my hand and run it through it, because I like my curls to be very like effortless. You can even flip it upside down. Shake it. Let me flip it. Let me flip it the right way. Oh, sorry y'all, I'm kind of exposing myself. Then I just take some hairspray, spray in it. And that's kind of how I like it. Yeah. Yep. Very effortless. So that's it for this tutorial, you guys. Make sure you check them out if you are looking for a unit like this. I love it. This is like my go-to type of hairstyles. So you guys know I'm gonna be rocking this throughout the week. You know this is me. Sorry, like I said, my camera stopped working on me, so I'm using my phone. So I gotta get back used to looking at the camera this way. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out RPGSHOW. I'll leave the link to everything down below.